Hi everybody, I'm just trying out a new sleep method here for my sleeping bag that I got here. I'm going to be out in the cold, got to be bundled up right. So first of all, this is like a sleeping bag covering over my inner sleeping bag. Then I have a quilt over the top of me, like this. So there's 3 layers covering me. So I'm ready to go to bed. I was just laying here watching Weed in the Bush, doing the Be Like Steve video. Laying here almost, I couldn't fall asleep. I was watching him. And it's really toasty in here. I'll show you what it's like. From this angle, the light is bright. First of all, if I have to get up to go to the bathroom, just pull the quilt back, unzipper this sleeping bag type thing for a hot night. It's big enough to fit my inner sleeping bag inside of. That's a zipper, and then the other zipper is my sleeping bag. And that's my pillow. The liner. That's my first layer. Second layer. That's a Wenzel. It's pretty good thick. Pretty good thick quilt thing. And that zippers up. And then that goes together. And then the quilt. The lightweight quilt. It looks like that should do it for maybe 16 below. Your thoughts in the comments and let me know what you think. Otherwise, I'll check you guys later. See you later. How you doing? It's Mark here. I'm just giving a gear review here on something I just bought for my camping out in the cold and wind. Is this Ember Lit stove, and it came in this orange package, so if I drop it I can find it in the leaves. Just keep it packed away in your duffel bag if you're stealth camping. It is blaze orange. This is what it looks like being put together. Leave the door for last. That's where you put the wood. And the dimples facing out. These 3 notches here are the 3 pieces you want to put together first. So it doesn't matter which one, as long as it's going in like so. Locks in. And I took a file and I took the burrs off so you don't get any rough, where you could get cut out in the field. So you don't want that. You can take a little fine file, make it easier for yourself. And the bottom piece goes in like so. Goes in those notches. Snug. And then the front cover. You slide the one side in all the way. This side just kind of weasel it in. It has a little bend to it so you can get it to go in place. And that's it. And then these 4 pieces is where you could put your cast iron stove, Dutch oven, cast iron skillet, pot, good sized pot, make your food, and keep your hands warm. And it just takes a few sticks to keep this thing going. Ashes come out the side. Just clear your area out. Good foot or so, 18 inches, a foot. You can have yourself a little fire without having to dig a pit in the wind. You could put it in a pit, keep it in there. So that's it. Ember lit. From Utah. Made in USA. Okay, this is how it looks when it's being broke down. These come out, come together, go to the door, pull down, lift that piece, open up the bottom, take out this bottom, and then take off the sides. Put it all together. It's about an 1/8 inch thick. Go back into the sack. Blaze orange, so you don't lose it in the leaves. It's a little like orange, burnt orange. Nice material, like you see on tarps. So it's probably waterproof. And that's it. Ember lit. Okay, Mark C, checking out. Ciao.